Aussie yen. This is why I told you guys to push your stop here. Why? Because I felt that they want to take out this low. When I gave the trade out and price we didn't get support there, and because it was Monday, I felt like they want to take out this low. And again, I showed you how to use this and that, how you can use both of them to see when this trade will be ready. Actually, let's go on to New Zealand yen on that one, and then put Aussie yen on this one. I showed you how you can watch and see when this trade will be ready. All right, I said that watch the lows and see they're going to run one, and one is going to hold. Okay, go back and listen to what I said on the video. I said the low, if you watch this low and that one, yeah, they are the same. They are same lows. One is going to be run and one is going to hold. So you buy when this one is holding, okay, and then this one is running. So you could buy both of them, but you make sure you understand what's actually going on. So both of them are good trades. We could see a continuation to the upside for today and tomorrow till Friday, looking for a run above here. All right.